Shut the fuck. Guy!
Fun times, eh?
My hands can't, they fucking hurt.
Boys, have a bit of a gap. I need to go down at once. No, do that again. That was funny. Oh shit! This is where we're going up. This is the opposite way we went. We've done a reverse loop. I'm going down. Neutral! That's what I did. I was going up and then all of a sudden I accidentally clicked it into neutral. Did you see me pop my front wheel up?
Bro, you went so high.
I almost fell back. Where is it? I almost fell backwards.
Oh, so fucking hard.
Come on! Go left side! Fucking hell! Jesus Christ! You were gonna take me out.
Start it. Start it. Oh, I'm just gonna roll back in the right. No, you're in a good spot right now. What? Just what to do that way? Yeah. Go. Okay. Don't roll back anymore. I'm in here.
He almost took me out of it. Lose up, lose up, lose up. He bogged himself in the creek. And he's turn the hold. Can you just hold this so I don't have to put the stand in? I can't be what the. This is what I would do. I would go like this. I wouldn't even sit on the bike. That's why I never buy KTM. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, get on. You're almost there.
Basically there.
Ready? You holding it?
Yeah, I hit that. My stairs are falling. Ah, my pistol.
Roll back. Roll back and go. Here, wait. Just wait.
Okay, you have to lift off the black shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not lifting, I'm pulling.
It's such brittle shit on that.
Pull your clutch in, Nathan. Fuck.
No wonder it was wonder. Now go. Right, you have to do that massive fucking hard.
Just fucking smash it.
Got little wheel crash. This is what I would do.
Take the weight off. Take the weight off the back wheel by not sitting on it.
Hey, fucking hitting the nuts. Oh my god.
Stuff like that when your back wheel's stuck, you don't want any weight in the bike. So you try to stand off, like stand to the side, or sit really high up. There you go. Coming, Alex.
I did a wheelie halfway fucking up that thing.
You alright, Nathan?
Fucking hold that weight. Do you reckon it's gonna hold our weight? Chill, guys, chill. Slow. Wait, do you reckon this will hold our weight?
Yeah, I fucking hope it will. Oh. It's broken in the middle. Oh, you can go down. Man, look. It's fully broken in the middle. Oh, I'm gonna send it.
Let me just walk across it.
Ah! That was so scary! That's fine. That's not going anywhere.
Over it, though. I'm gonna ride over it.
Huh.